Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make yourself a hearty breakfast. Hearty breakfast? I mean, you're just waking up and whatever happened to whiskey and coffee? We got steak and eggs with potatoes and asparagus versus sausage patties with blueberry pancakes and yogurt and chocolate. All right? Made bread again. Make bread. Hash browns. What else? Half an onion. 4 potatoes. And then put her on. All right, now you're going to make your pancake batter. First you do the wet stuff. 3 eggs. And I'm using Amaretto di Saronno as a flavor. And then some Vermont maple syrup, of course. And then you're going to put in some heavy cream and a stick of soft unsalted butter. You're going to get that all whippity whip. And then you're going to add, or you're going to screen, 2 cups of flour with some baking soda and baking powder in it. And then you're going to put in a cup of almond flour, which makes it all nice and wonderful. Then you're going to mix it with water, spring water, until you have found the right consistency. And then you're going to put it aside and cover it. Meat's going to go into the broiler, and you're going to put your asparagus on top of the hash browns, which are pretty much already done. Okay, it's time to get frantic now. Your 3-minute eggs are going on. You're going to be flipping the meat and get your pancake going, 'cause it's breakfast time. Asparagus, hash browns, the steak, of course, and there's your eggs, and throw a little cayenne pepper on her. Now we're going to flip that beautiful blueberry pancake and get you ready for that. Yogurt, Vermont maple syrup, of course, a little cinnamon, your chocolate ganache, and sausage patty. Steak and eggs with asparagus and hash browns and toast. And blueberry pancakes with all the fixins and a beautiful sausage patty. Most important meal of the day. Make a good one for yourself. It's worth it. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.